Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to fix cannot link Facebook to Garena issue in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you've been trying to link your Facebook account to Garena, we have just two steps to do. Alright, so first of all, long press the Call of Duty mobile app and tap on storage, and then clear the cache of this app. This can help fix login issues. Alright, so let's move on to step 2. Go to your Facebook settings. After that, search for apps and website. And look for Call of Duty Mobile Garena and make sure permissions are enabled. Or if this expired, try to renew it again. In my case, it's already active, but let me show you what will look like if your account is expired. It will look like this. So if the mobile game is missing, remove any old account or code mobile links and try linking again. So that's it. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching and take care.